by the ringing note, since we, my love, have changed vows again and by the ringing note. For now that I'm young Robbie's bride and mistress, so his father's son, my maiden who's a like to guide and please me with ringing note. Then farewell to my father's house, I go where love invites me. The strictest duty this allows when love we all needs me. When Hyman molds us into in a Robbie's nearer than my kin, and to refuse him where his sins he lands, he kindly treats me. Through love shall be at hand, I to mock me still a prudent spouse, and let my man command. I avoiding ill can cause a strife, the common piece of married life, that Max ain't wearied o' his